The Legend of Topeng Kaliwungu. In the early 20th century, Basanemu, a wanderer from Ombeng village, Sampang, Madura, settled in Kaliwungu village, Lumajang. He brought with him several wonderworks of the character Prabu Baladewa, which he had carved himself. On the terrace of his mother's home, Basanemu often painted dancing, a hobby that gradually attracted the attention of the village, both Madurese migrants and local Javanese residents. One night after finishing his practice, a local young man named Kromo approached him while carrying a cup of coffee. "Bah, your dance is very powerful, but the music and movements felt quite familiar. Towas, who are used to hearing Japanese gamelan?" Kromo said honestly. Basanemu let out a long sigh as he gazed at the red mass in his hand. "This is indeed Topeng Guru from Ajastasi, my son. But you are right. Since I have lived here, I have felt that something is not quite fit between my feet and the land I now stand on." Basanemu explained it. "Do you mean this dance must change?" asked one of Basanemu's students from Madura with sharp objection. "Shall we preserve its authenticity?" asked Kromo, "Not change but adapt." Basanemu replied firmly, "Art is like bread. If it cannot blend with the air around it, it will die." Basanemu then began to make experiments. He tried incorporating the agile and expressive Chakilan movements, typical of Javanese style, into the more rigid Madurese framework. Try to play your gamelan with a more dynamic rhythm, not too monotonous. Basanemu challenged off to his musician. He then started to dance, his hand movement gracefully following the Javanese rhythm. But suddenly, his feet struck the ground furiously with the explosive Madurese style. The watching village scared. "This is it. This felt just right," Kromo shouted ecstatically. "This is no longer just Madurese Topeng. This is the dance of Kaliwungu people." Basanemu smiled with satisfaction. From this moment on, let people call it Topeng Kaliwungu. It is a break for all of us here in Lumajang. Since then, Topeng Kaliwungu has become a unique cultural identity in Lumajang. Basanemu proved that his story does not have to be right. He passed this down to the next generation, including figures such as Basu, so that the message of unity between the Javanese and Madurese communities will endure. To this day, the Red Baladewa must continue to dance, telling a story of harmony amid difference.